Hi everyone, welcome to NAA's Kitchen. I hope we're all keeping safe, doing well. Today we have box cake hacks. I'm going to teach you how to make your box cake taste like homemade cake. So if you want to know how we achieve this, let's get started. For our ingredients, we're going to go with the instructions at the back of the box. The box says 1 cup of water. We're going to use 1 cup of milk. It says 3 eggs. We're going to upgrade it. Go on extra egg and use 4 eggs. It says 1/3 cup of oil, but we're melting butter here. We're using butter instead of oil. So I have 1/3 cup of butter melted. It does not say anything about vanilla extract, but to up it up, I have 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and my cup of box cake. So let's get into it. Okay, so to start off, I have my bowl here. I'm gonna go in with my classic yellow box cake. I follow up with my 4 eggs. My milk, it's my cup of milk. My melted butter. And my vanilla extract. Then we go on and beat it. I'm using my hand mixer because I'm just gonna do this for 2 minutes. That's it, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour it into my greased pan. So right now I'm gonna grease my pan. I like to use a brush to do it with butter. I sprinkled a little bit of flour into my pan and I just shook the rest off just in case I didn't end up greasing the pot well. My cake will still come out when it's done. So with this, I'm gonna pour out the cake into the pan, and my oven has been preheating for 350 for about 5 minutes now. I'm just gonna go ahead and transfer it into my oven. So here we have it. Our cake is ready for the oven. Okay guys, so the next cake hack is going to be a devil's food cake. Just like we did the first one, we're going to go with the instructions at the back of the box. But with the milk, we go with 1 cup of milk instead of the water on the box. We go with 4 eggs instead of 3. And we go with 1/3 cup of butter, melted butter, instead of the oil. And then on the side, I have 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, which is not part of it, but I just decided to put it in to give it a little homely taste. So let's get into it. Okay, so to start off, we go with our devil's food. I don't like to say devil's food, but sadly, that's what it's called. My eggs. I go in with my melted butter. My cup of milk. You can use any milk at all, that's fine. But I'm just using whole milk because I want the density to it. And then my vanilla extract. This is just my preference. You can just go ahead and just beat it or mix it in your cake mixer. This is just totally up to me. So I come in and pour out my cake mixture into my greased pan. It's already greased just like I did the first one, and sprinkle some flour into it as well. So guys, here we have it. So simple yet so delicious. It tastes way better than adding water and oil. This tastes more like homemade cake. Has a lot of density to it. So here we have it, friends. Super moist yellow cake and our devil's food cake. I hope you try it. Please do, and give me a thumbs up if you do. Comment, like, do not forget to subscribe, and see you again in my next video. Bye.